Waldo is the easiest way for development teams to own and maintain reliable, scalable, automated tests for mobile apps. Our platform allows developers to own, improve, and automate mobile testing without any of the pains associated with managing infrastructure. After uploading a build to Waldo, Waldo will automatically provide you with a fresh device in the configuration and language of your choosing. We support a wide range of iOS and Android devices, as well as the most updated operating systems. To create a test, simply click through the desired user flow. As you click through, Waldo will record this flow and save it as a baseline to compare to future builds. When you upload a new build, Waldo will attempt to recreate the same actions from your original user flow to check that the actions can be completed. If they can be completed, the test passes. If they can't, it will fail. Instead of relying on a pixel-by-pixel comparison, Waldo uses the logical structure of each screen in your app to understand the positioning of each element. Waldo will attempt to perform an action once the screen structure has reached your desired similarity level, providing confidence that any UI changes are acceptable. Because of this, Waldo can intuitively interact with dynamic content in your application when required, and seamlessly run the same test across different languages without being impacted by minor UI or ID changes. At the end of each test run, you can view playback of an entire user flow, visually identify bugs and UI issues, click into the exact screen where an issue was identified by Waldo, and compare side by side with your baseline. Waldo can provide network logs and crash reports to help you debug the build faster. Waldo provides and maintains the infrastructure to run these tests. With our multi-concurrency model, you can run entire suites simultaneously across multiple devices to increase your testing and device coverage in only a matter of minutes. Run rules you build in our platform govern the frequency of your tests and which builds they should run on, as well as testing triggers. Automatically trigger runs upon upload from your existing CI/CD with our robust integrations, and even test PRs before they emerge to catch regressions. Waldo is helping development teams spend less time building mobile tests and more time benefiting from them. Try Waldo for free today and see for yourself.